24 Akins Ford F-350 Limited Glacier Gray Covert Bubba truck like no other. It's all about the one of ones here. It's not about cookie cutter this and duplicate that. It's one of one all day long because life is short and custom is better than stock. Let's go. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, if something's rare and unique and one of one, my heart rate just naturally gets elevated. Like when I'm thinking about my wife while I'm at work on a date night, just thinking about her getting ready, how good she's gonna look, how good she's gonna smell, it just naturally gets my heart rate up just at the thought. Then when I get home, it's like unbelievable. One of one, and it's no different right here. This is an amazing rendition. I've never seen it. Nobody's seen it like this, and that's how we do right here at Wild Willies at Akins. Glacier Gray, setting the stage. This front grille was completely brushed aluminum and chrome, which you know I love. As you can see mine in the stock form hanging out right back there. Didn't paint mine at all except for the Ford emblem, but loving this rendition in a gate black up front with Glacier Gray to replace the blue. We got race red tow hooks for a different hit. Haven't seen it before. Down below the brushed aluminum to a gate black. Inside the headlights, complete a gate black. It looks great, so balanced out and clean now, contrasting off the Glacier Gray. Trimmer front valence down below, which we actually trimmed this one slightly longer than the trimmer valence, which I do like that. A better balance overall. Coming to the side, you know this is top tier. Haven't seen this before. I'm in love with this. The factory limited wheel, which in the black and brush finish looks great, but all powder coated gloss black is a different rendition. 2.5-inch leveled with a Carly torsion sway bar with end links on 37 12.5 20 ridge grapplers. Kept the mirrors as is, but the side badge kept the texture on that also, but did a gate black with a little red hit on the limited letters and did a race red and gloss black on the 6.7 Power Stroke. Wrapped that upper piece gloss to match the windows and the lower piece satin to flow and tie in nicely with the textured side bed step. The Bushwhacker OE style fender flares, Glacier Gray, looking amazing. I love keeping the FX4 red as well. Just the stock OE FX4 ties in, not painting the tail lights. Great hit, and the red accents flows throughout, and we always repping, y'all. I told you many times, one nation under God. Never gonna change the tone on that one. Again, a different rendition. Tail lights, didn't touch it except for where the reverse and blinker was white. Did a gate black, nice light smoke over it. A gate black on the applique, limited letters Glacier, race red Super Duty. This one turned out so special. Same rendition on the third brake light. The white light parts, a light smoke, kept the red to balance. Love the detail of keeping the red where it was necessary, deleting the clear where it was at, and that limited interior Admiral blue with the contrasting gray, suede Alcantara headliner, perfect. The vibe inside this truck is my favorite, y'all. This truck's headed to Nebraska. We still have several things we have to do to this one, but I saw it up there. I've been eyeing it for a while. I saw the red accents on the Glacier, and I just knew I could not wait any longer. I had to scoop this bad boy up. It's so dirty right now. I'll run it back to you when it gets all said and done. Just had to go ahead and break it out to you, show you how we do with renditions like no other. It's not overdone and it's not overcomplicated, but it's the detailed, thought out process of accenting with a certain color with a Ford baseline paint with our Covert Edition or Everest Edition packages to elevate your truck to go from a $103,000 ride to a mid $120,000 ride. And if that doesn't get your heart rate up, then you're not the real deal. I love you all because we're all a child of God, and that is all I need to know. I got nothing but peace, joy, and love in my heart for each and every one of you, no matter what. And I hope you all can believe and feel the same way about each one of us. We're so lucky to be living in the world at this same time. We're just a blink of an eye as far as God's perspective. A blink of an eye is our lifetime. So while you're here on this earth with everyone else is here at this current time period, just soak it up and enjoy, love, don't hate, okay? It's all about maximizing your life while you're here on this great earth. And one sweet day, we all going up to be with the Lord, y'all. And that is what gives me my peace and joy. These trucks are amazing too. Peace out.